Hello, this is Brian Murphy with A Action Realty Inspection Services, bringing you another inspection moment through the eyes of the inspector. Today I wanted to cover briefly corrugated stainless steel tubing, or also known as CSST. What I wanted to talk about is the type of deficiencies that come with this type of material. It is known to have to get small pinhole leaks if the house receives a direct or indirect lightning strike. Also, in the early 90s, when it was first introduced, it was not properly installed in many cases. If you can see right here where we had the manifold and we had the pressure reducer here, and the gas line, the main service line coming to this particular line is only a ½ inch. This should be 1.5 to 2 inches as a minimum. So the main feed is undersized, and if you notice off the manifold in each one of these locations, the gas lines are also undersized going to each one of the pieces of equipment. On this particular one, I also found a gas leak at this location, and I found a gas leak at this location, which needs to be corrected. Then the gas lines going over to the equipment, these should be a minimum of a ½ inch, and in some cases 3/4 inch to 1 inch, all depends on what equipment it's servicing. So the gas distribution lines on this particular installation is undersized as well. Then on when you bring CSST over to equipment, it's supposed to stop and have its own shutoff valve, and then have a appliance flex connector installed. In this case, they connected the gas lines directly to the equipment. And I'll take you over to the water heater as well, and you can see where they have this gas appliance connector, and then they brought the CSST to it. This is supposed to be secured into place, and then the shutoff valve installed, and then the appliance flex connector. So on this particular installation, just about all of the installation is incorrect. This is another good reason to have a home inspection by a professional home inspector. Again, Brian Murphy with A Action Realty Inspection Services.